So I don't know whether the microphone on here can pick it up. I doubt it. Probably picked up the cow mooing. But we can hear the bells ringing now. So we must be getting close. Farmer's hard at work feeding his cattle. Must have got their mooing about, bring my breakfast, bring my breakfast, I want my breakfast. Morning.
Hi.
That's a muddy old field.
Yeah.
All this rain can't be helping you much. Got you in. Yeah, take it somewhere else.
Yeah, especially Australia at the moment.
Yeah, I'm with you. See ya.
Whatever you do in life, you don't have nothing to do with farming. It's a pain in the ass. Because you can't earn no money at it.
No.
I work 8 days a week, every day.
Yeah.
I'm 72, I didn't want to be doing it.
Yeah, and there's no way out, is there really?
No.
You're tied to it, aren't you?
Yeah, you are.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a hard life.
Pension. I waited on nearly 69 to draw it. I rang the pension people up. Oh yes, Mr Wiltshire, you paid in the maximum 50 years.
Yeah.
Oh, she said, shall I tell you something? You only needed to pay in 30 years to get that pension.
I know.
said, well, why don't you notify anyone?
Oh, they don't tell
they
you.
Don't do that.
They don't tell you. No. I've just retired now. I'm 62.
Yeah.
Just retired.
Good man.
Because exactly that. I've paid in.
Yeah.
So, you know, I can get my full pension in a couple of years' time.
Yeah.
Well, 3 years' time.
Yeah.
And I don't know, take my work pension.
Yeah.
And we can survive until then.
Yeah.
That's the way to do it, you know.